Hi Anna, this is a little demo of how you can go and edit your newsletters. So let's say you're starting at the admin homepage, you just hover over the menu on the left and you go down to the eNewsletters link. You click on that and it should bring you up here. If you don't remember the login details, I have emailed them through to you, but it should be on your computer, so you shouldn't have to log in. So we're looking at our recent drafts that we've set up here and recently sent reports. But to create a whole new campaign, we just want to go either create a new campaign over here or create and send tab up here. So we'll click on that one. You can see there's two drafts that have been created, but let's just start a whole brand new one. So create a new campaign. And we now get a chance to name the campaign, and that's something that's just for you internally. So I'm just going to call this one the eNews Training Test. The subject, and that can be the same. From and the email should generally stay the same, so we'll keep that and click Next down the bottom. Now the next page you get to choose which newsletter format you want to use. So there is only one, so that's already clicked. You don't have to do anything here. You just have to hit Next. And now we get a chance to edit the page straight away. So you can change this big image up the top if you want by clicking the Edit button, but I don't think you'll be changing that often. So we'll scroll down and we're going to work on this content here. We will remove this default image for you, but for now, just click Edit, and you can put in what the headline is. Great special for you. The text, whatever it might be, la 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 la, off we go. And you can also just copy and paste straight from a Word document here if you want. So I might just open something up I've got down here, and I'll just paste a lot of that. Now the paste may not work using your mouse, so you have to go up to your file and edit paste. And you probably couldn't see me doing that, but this is what comes up, and you can see that it's all pre-filling over here. And if you want to make something a link to our website, you just highlight the text you want to make a link, you click on Insert, Link, and ask you what is the link address. So it's probably a good idea to actually have the address ready, or I'm going to open up a new tab, File, New Tab, and open up your website. And I might just go to some of your pages with some information on it. Great. Copy that. Bring it over here, and we'll just paste that in. You should be able to use paste in this area, and insert the link. And there it is. And you should be able to see it here as well, a link to our website. You can do things like making the text bold, italic. You can put a bullet point list in if you want. Anyway, that's pretty simple. Something else you might want to see, and I'll just come to the top here. Dear. Now I want to insert the first name. So insert personalization first name. And then the fallback would be if they haven't got a first name, like they've just put an email in, it might just be Dear Customer, comma. I'm going to save those changes. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now I've got to put your signature at the bottom, so I'm going to come back and edit it. Scroll down. Oops, I'm having trouble actually getting down to the bottom. Just do this, remove that. Anna. Make that in bold as well. And I can also remove the image here, but now we will remove this for you, so you don't have to worry about this, but I'm just going to remove the image so that we've just got something, a blank space. And what you should see when you first edit this is that you get to choose your file here. Just click on that. pick an image from your computer, and it'll upload. Once it's uploaded, we can save it, and that's what we're looking at there. So we now want to preview that. Okay, this is how it's going to look on the full screen. Looks pretty good to me. We'll define the recipients. And this is your two lists, MailChimp subscribers and your website subscribers. They're people who are joining up online or you're adding to the website from the website. So we'll tick those two, and then again we click Next. And we now get a snapshot of what our newsletter is going to look like, the subject. If you ever want to edit it again, you just come in here and click Edit, and it'll take you straight back to that editing window. Excuse me, it's a bit slow. Okay, but I'm just going to go back to the snapshot and coming down. So we're ready to send to these number of people. Now we're going to test and define the delivery. So we can send a test to you, to me. For this demo, I'll just send one to me so you're not wondering why you're getting an email. We send that test email, and that should arrive almost instantly. Okay, once you're happy with that, click Next. And now we get a chance to say when we want it to be sent. You can do it immediately, or you can choose a time. So you can choose the date here, or you can use a little calendar on the side, so you might want to send it a Tuesday. I think it's meant to be the best day for newsletters. So either one of those you tick is fine. Probably deliver it immediately and then pay for it. Okay, so it tells us what the costs are, and we just have to put our details in, whatever it might be, and that's it. And then you click Pay and Send immediately, and we're done.